What if I told you quitting porn can be harder than quitting cocaine? Sounds absurd, right? But shocking research shows that porn hijacks the brain's reward system in eerily similar ways to hard drugs. Millions are silently hooked, not because they're weak, but because their brains have been rewired. This isn't just a bad habit, it's a neurological war. Drugs like heroin and cocaine flood the brain with dopamine. Porn? It does it too, just more sneakily and constantly. Every new video, every new fantasy gives the brain a dopamine hit, forcing it to crave more. Over time, the brain becomes desensitized. Real life becomes dull. Pleasure disappears. Only porn satisfies. MRI scans show both porn users and drug addicts suffer from shrinkage in the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain that controls judgment, self-control, and decision-making. Cambridge University and the Max Planck Institute have proven porn changes brain structure just like narcotics do. But here's the terrifying twist. Porn addiction is harder to quit for many because there's no overdose, no withdrawal you can't hide, no physical symptoms that force you to stop. It's invisible, private, and accessible 24/7 in your pocket. That means relapse is just a tap away. With drugs, people eventually hit rock bottom. With porn, people sink silently. And emotionally, porn addiction feeds on shame, anxiety, loneliness. It becomes a coping mechanism. It's not just about pleasure anymore. It's about escaping reality. You aren't watching porn, you're running from pain. And every time you escape, the cycle gets stronger. Trigger, urge, escape, shame, repeat. A study in behavioral sciences confirms compulsive porn use causes the same clinical impairment and brain damage as drug addiction. And unlike cocaine, porn hits emotional, sexual, and even spiritual areas, making recovery far more complex. It can take months, even years, to reverse the brain damage. Relapse rates for porn are often equal to or higher than alcohol and nicotine. So is porn addiction harder to quit than drugs? In terms of brain changes, emotional grip, and how easily it fits into your daily life, the answer might be yes. This is the most seductive trap of our generation. Quitting isn't about willpower. It's about reclaiming your brain. And that begins with knowing the truth. Porn is addictive, and it's rewiring you from the inside out.
Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and I have a link in the description box, my WhatsApp channel link. You can join, and from there you can recover your mind, yourself, your body, or your mentality.